Whata Bling'n? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your one and only hostess, Xuxa.Latwon. Yes, it is me. Your girl just got her hair cut. Are we liking it? Are you guys liking this cut on me? Comment down below. If you are new, you'll get used to this spice. You'll get used to it. But in this video, I'm going to show you guys all the jackets that I bought from Boohoo. I was honestly tired of being on camera, trying on stuff, okay? Tired. So I decided to up my jacket game, buy some new stuff, make sure I get it in my size, can fit the girls, can fit the arms, not out here looking like sliced bread. On period. I said them do it right on period, poo. I hope I did that right, don't laugh. Before we jump into the video, all I'm gonna ask you to do, don't leave the video without giving it a thumbs up. I'm going to put the reminder, so when you see the reminder, just click the like. Don't forget to also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. Come on now, Island Breeze, you know, like that. So let's jump right into the video. So remember how I said I bought jackets that's supposed to fit me? So the way how I organized the rack, I was really trying like the light stuff first, going into the heavier stuff. But I'm not gonna tell you no lie. You see this first jacket right here? I know it does not fit. So do I want to start the video with a medium jacket? Or do I want to give you something like boom? For the sake of the video, we're going to try on this medium jacket. Because you know your girl is the queen of mediums. Hey! Medium, here I come. Ready or not? So you know when you try on the jacket them, and you really want it to fit, so you just kind of take your time and you close your eyes and you not even look on the jacket and you say, please. This is one of them please moments, because honestly, this right here look like it's gonna suck off my arm circulation. Ooh, I can't get over the watch. All right, so I know y'all like to see me like this. I have a couple videos like this. This is the first jacket and I'm so disappointed that it doesn't fit, because this would have been a great fit. Like, no lies, this would have been a great fit. But honestly, they didn't get the fluffy arm friendly notice. Yeah, please send Boohoo a message. Tell them the fluffy arm matters. That's what they need to know. We matter too. Come on now. This also comes with a belt here. But as you can see, if the arms can't fit, the belt don't even have a chance. I'll put the clip next to it and how it looks on the model, and va-va-voom. This is how it looks on me. Take a picture. Cute. All right, so let's go into the next fit. I gave up on the whole jumping business because the girls can't manage that. But me probably can do one little twirl. I hope that edit worked, because me spin this way. Was I supposed to spin back the other way? Either way you put it, you get the point. This is the next fit. This is a blazer. Okay. I see you, Blizzy. This is the oversized blazer. Here's the thing. The blazer is cute and all. Maybe I'm gonna have to rouge it up a little bit, you know? So it's cute. The only problem that I have, I feel like it doesn't have any structure. I mean, it's oversized, that's what it's supposed to be, but geez, it couldn't be oversized with a little bit of... You guys know what I'm trying to say, right? Overall, I mean, even with this little joggers-esque pants that I have on, it's still a nice little look, you know? I'm gonna come up close here. You can see how the jacket looks. The material is lightweight. It's very stretchy. Maybe I probably should have sized down in this one. I should have sized up in the first one. Should have sized down in this one. What time is it? Time to jump into the next fit. I don't know how these edits are gonna look, you know, with the whole spin business, but we're trying it out here. Now this is the other jacket. It is a blazer. I'm gonna point something out to you guys because I've already worn this one. And because the arms were a little too tight, I did cut a little bit of the seams inside of the jacket by the arm, just to give me a little bit of room. This one It is super cute. Look at it even with this outfit. Come on now. It's them Philip. Grab the drinks. We're heading to the bar. Let's try the jacket on. It's actually a blazer. I keep saying jacket, but you get the gist. You see, I just needed that extra oomph in the arm part. You see, now it don't look so tight. So your girl had to, you know, just give me like, I just needed that extra room. So that's my little hack. Now, you can see that it turns this way due to that, but let's see if you can kind of manipulate it. Make it turn around a bit. Listen, I'm okay with it turning like that. I'm not gonna lie. If you're looking at that seam that hard, come on, sis. The patterns alone should make you confused. Don't be looking that hard at my seams. I love this, and not to mention the detailing. Let me show you something. It comes with this little belt and button it. You know, obviously if it's work, it has 2 buttons here, right here, and then you can also tie it. But girl, it ain't that type of jacket for me. So we gonna untie this, we gonna unbutton this, we're gonna leave it open like this. This right here is by far my favorite. They do have the pants on this, so it's a suit. I'm not sure if I could look like that. No, wrong animal. Moo. Girl, come on, you went to school, don't do that. And that's like the first thing you learn when you're a child. Go back or go moo. Come on now. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna look like you got milk. So I just stuck with the blazer. So let's jump into the next fit. I don't know how this is turning out. All right, so this is the next fit. This is supposed to be a jacket as well. This jacket, I've worn it before too, and I'm not sure about it. I don't know if I need to size down, but here's the problem. If I size down, it doesn't fit my arms. And if I size up, then it doesn't have any structure. So I'm kind of torn in between, but I like this without it actually being on my body. This is the material, school clothes material. You know, your school dress, yeah, and your school pants. This is the type of material it's giving me, yeah. So let's try it on so I can show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. See, I feel like it's too big. I guess it was actually made for it to zip up. So let me see. But what I look like with this thing zipped up? No. So let's unzip this, number one. So I pull the strings together a little bit to kind of bring in the waist a little bit. Like I said, I think it just might be a little too big. You think I could get away with going one size down? What you guys think? Can I get away with it? And then it does have some of the threading, you know, coming out there. So not the best quality in my opinion. It looks heavier online than in person. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the model and you see how it looks on me. I just think with this fit here, this is more beginning of fall, beginning of spring. You can get away with this type of jacket. Let's jump into the next fit. Well, we're not jump, we're spin. Let's spin, twirling with the wind. Whoa! Come on now, you guys must remember this. I put out a video of me unboxing the stuff that I bought just in time for Black Friday. I look like a bird. And whatever. Honestly, when I saw this jacket online, you will see the difference how it looks online and how it looks on me. Boy, this looked like it want team. You know, it did not look this unkept online. Me look like a bird. Bird. No, girl, get your animals together. Dang, what sound the bird make again? Okay, girl, get yourself together. I really love it. What do you guys think about this one? Leave beep beep. in the comments. Let me give you guys a close-up. So this is how the material looks. I love this, like, you know, I have on a simple look like this. Even with this fit, it elevates my look. It moved from you taking me to IHOP when I put this jacket on. Oh, well, we going you know them fancy restaurant there where you can't call the name? Those. Let's twirl right into the next one. Bird style. Beep, beep. Woo, girl. I feel like I'm getting better at the twirl. But this is the next jacket here. I love this one. This one was similar to the ones that I had that didn't fit, that I had on in my fashion to figure video. So what I like about this jacket is it's lightweight, but at the same time, I bought it a little big. It can actually cover me. Because sis, this is real life. You can see here, this is how it looks. It has the button. It has the string, so you can tie it. We're not going to tie me up like me a Christmas gift. But this is how it looks. And it comes down here, which is good, by the knee, which is perfect. And it does it have pockets? Weird. It not a pocket? Well, apparently it doesn't have any pockets, but that's okay. You guys, a little close up. This is the material. This is how it looks at the front. What do you guys think? Let me know. So you have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed, and yes, I had to put this one back on because, like I said, this is my favorite. This Avabos is very buzzy. If you would like to purchase any of these outfits, go ahead and check the description box. I will leave everything down below. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to accept your flaws, embrace your strength, and own your journey. Bye. See you in the next one.
Change the world. Love can heal mankind. Love can save the day.